about 11 p.m. and the plow still hasn't come by. Look at this. Jesus. Man. Look at this crap. Wow. Yeah, still hasn't come by yet. I'm glad I'm not in a hurry. Wow. Yep. Winter's back with a vengeance. Jeez, this is deep. Look at this. If you got a small car, you're not going to go through here. Yep. Winter sure came back. Plow probably won't come by till about 3 in the morning. About 3, maybe 4 in the morning. So I figured, well, I'll try trenching it out right here. That way the plow expels. It's an old trick you can use. The plow is going to expel some of the snow before it gets to your driveway. Not all of it, but that's a trick some people use. That way there's less snow piled in your driveway. Damn. Well, look at this. I got enough to make an igloo. Yeah. Okay, well, this is the snow I need for my next snow castle.